my name is Today here I'm up with another tutorial on WordPress. I'm gonna show you how you can create a complete business website or blog using Customizr theme. As the name says, this theme is totally customizable. Before going into action, I want to preview the website which we are going to create in this tutorial. See here, I'm creating a website for some restaurant, RS Restaurant. So here is the logo. I will show you how you can upload your logo, and you can see here several social icons. When I will click on this pages, that will open social pages. See, when I will click on this LinkedIn, so that will open my LinkedIn profile. So these are the several pages: Twitter, Facebook, plus. Underneath these social icons, I have this navigation bar: Home, About Us, Services. Inside Services, I have 3 other tabs: Couple Restaurant, Family Restaurant, Beach View Restaurant, Gallery, Blog, Contact Us. And underneath this, you can see I have a slider. This is the main slider for my website. Here we have some title or description inside this slider, and underneath this you can see I have a call to action button, View More. When I will click on this button, View More, that will redirect me to the gallery page, as I have linked up this call to action button with my gallery page. So here is the gallery in this website, and when I will hover on any image, that will increase their size and give us a beautiful animated effect. And when I will open any of the image, it displays in a beautiful lightbox way. It's a responsive lightbox gallery. Now let us go back to our home page. With this theme, you can create different slider for your different pages or post. Underneath this slider, see here I have 3 featured pages. It's Couple Restaurant, Family Restaurant, and Beach View Restaurant. When I will click on this image or this Read More button, that will redirect me to the relevant page. So this is Couple Restaurant page, and you can see now again I have a different slider for this Couple Restaurant page. I have some media item, and let's go back. Similarly, I have other 2 featured pages also, Family Restaurant and Beach View Restaurant. Let's have a look at our Family Restaurant. See, again I have a different slider for my Family Restaurant page. Let's go back to home, and here's the 3rd featured page, Beach View Restaurant. When I will click on it, again I have a different slider for my this page, and this featured image gives us a nice animated effect. I will show you how you can add featured image to this pages. See, when I hover, it gives us very nice animated effect. And underneath this featured pages, I have few blog posts. With this featured image, again, when I hover on this image, it increases their size. And when I will click on this post, it will open the complete blog post. And again, for this post also, you can see I have a slider. And now anybody can leave a comment. Now, I will also show you another version of the home page. Say if you don't want to have this post on the front page, instead you want to have a static web page. So I will also show you that version also. See, here is the static page version of this site. Instead of having blog post, on the home page I have some content and the media image. So this is a static web page instead of having blog post. Let's have a look on some internal pages of this website. It's a About Us page. On the About Us page, rather than having it as a full width layout, I have right sidebar where I have searched for this text box and the map. I have embedded a Google map. I will show you how you can embed this Google map to your web page. Underneath this services, we have seen all these three pages: couple restaurant, family restaurant, beach view restaurant. These three are the featured pages also, which we have seen on the home page. Now, gallery page I have also shown you. This call to action button is linked up with my gallery page. I will also show you how you can create a blog page. All the posts will appear in this blog page. So if you want to have your home page as a static web page, you can create separate blog page. It's completely your preference to have your blog page or not. If it's a complete static website, you may not need this blog page. But once if you want it, I will show you how you can create a blog page. Here is the contact us page. Inside contact us page, we have a contact form. All the fields are here: name, email, subject, your message. So visitor or user can fill up this form and click on send. So this form will be sent to us in our email address. Now on the footer, this theme supports 3 footer widgets. So I have some text, home, services, just to give more depth to this site, and a search box again in the footer. Underneath these widgets, again I have a social icons in the footer so that anybody can click and connect with us directly on these social pages. And on the top you can see I have a small image, which is a favicon image. Favicon is a small image which is displayed with the name of website. I will also show you how you can upload favicon in your website. And a very important feature of this website is that it is a responsive website. When I will collapse my browser's window, you can see all the images are going to resize very beautifully. Now instead of menu bar, I have a button. When I will click on it, I have several other pages. This is about us page. This map is also responsive now. Let's preview our gallery page. See, as this is a responsive thumbnail gallery, all the images are also behaving responsive. And when I will open any of the image, see, we have a responsive lightbox display. One more thing guys, here we have a back to top button. When I will click on it, it will scroll upward automatically. So let's get started. So here I'm on my dashboard. I have already installed WordPress on localhost. But the very same way, you can work online on your server also in your website. If you want to know how I have installed WordPress on localhost, you can watch my earlier tutorial. I already have it on my channel, installing WordPress on localhost using web server. Now let's visit our site. So this is the default WordPress website with the version WordPress 4.0.1. We are running 2014 theme. First thing first, now let's change our theme completely. So let us go to our dashboard. Let's go to Appearance, Themes. Let's click Add New. And let's search the theme we want to install. The theme we're gonna be install is Customizr. Okay, so this is the theme which I'm looking for. So let's just install it. You can also preview for it. Let's just straight away install it. Okay, so theme has been successfully installed. The version we are going to have is Customizr 3.2.8. Let's just activate our theme. So this theme is now active. Let's visit our site now. So here we go. Our site looks like this. But still we have to work more to give it a finished look. So let's begin to customize this website now and make it our own website. This is the website name ritusachdev.com. When I hover on my website name, straight away I can go to customize. Either I can go to dashboard, and in the appearance I can go to customize. So let's click on customize. So here is the global setting. Let's look at it one by one. This is the skin. Select the skin for Customizr. So this is the default skin we are going to work with. But if you want, you can go for the different colors. See, when I click on red, so all the different elements or major elements of this website has turned into red color. So you can choose your color, but I would like to stay with the default one. Here is the default color. I like this color, so I want to stay it with. Now the second thing is social links. You can add social links of your pages on the top of the menu. So let's set up our social links. We can also set them in footer also. Here is the option social links in header, social link in footer. You can check it or uncheck it if you want. So let's have check on both of the options. Social link in right sidebar, social link title in sidebar. If you want to check them, you can have check for them, but I just want to stay with the default setting for social icons. Now this is RSS feed icon. Default site is the WordPress feed. If you want to have it, you can have your RSS feed address. Now let's insert various URL for the social pages. So let me copy and paste up something. This is my Twitter address. So let me paste up my Twitter profile URL. Now for the Facebook, let me copy and paste up my URL address for Facebook. This is my Facebook page. This is my Google profile page. And no, I'm not using Instagram, Tumblr. Straight away I will go to my YouTube profile URL. For Pinterest, let's have a Pinterest URL. LinkedIn for LinkedIn. So these are the various social icons for the URL pages I have given. You can give your URL address for Tumblr, Flickr, WordPress profile, wherever you are. I just want to get rid of this RSS feed. So this is the preview for our website now. You can see the moment I have entered my URL address for various social pages, I have here social icons. So now the skin is done. Social links is done. For the rest of things, I just want to stay with the default. Responsive setting, I want to stay with the default one. I want to have this website to behave responsive. So I would like to stay with the default one. Let's hit save and publish for whatever we have done so far. Now let's click this backward arrow and let's do further more setting. So here we have done the global setting. Now we will go for header, title, logo, menu, blah blah blah. So the first option is design and layout. Let's expand it, and this is the top border you can see along with the website. So here is the option display top border. If you don't want to have this top border, you can simply uncheck it. See, now we don't have any border. Now this is logo or title on the left or center right, but I want to stay with the default one. So let's have it on the left. Display menu in the box, sticky on scroll, sticky header. So the header will be always there no matter how much you will scroll your website. Right. So I want to stay with the default settings. For design and layout, let's go for site title and tagline. So this is the site title. You can see ritusachdev.com. You can change it if you want, and this is the tagline, just another WordPress site which comes along with the every theme of WordPress. You can change it and have your own tagline. Here I am creating a restaurant website for my business. So I am using tagline like welcome to our restaurant. Right. So we are done with site title and tagline. Now let's go for logo and favicon. Set up logo and favicon option. Now the supported format for logo is .jpg, .png, .gif, .svg, .svgz. And yeah, they have also given the dimensions. So these are the dimensions I will be using: width 250px and height 100px. So let me upload the logo I want to use. Let's click upload logo. This is the logo I will be using. See, the moment I have uploaded, there is no site title. Instead of site title, now I have my logo, RS Restaurant. Once if you don't want to have your logo, you can go for the site title. This now it is hidden when I have uploaded a logo. You can always watch the preview of our website on the right side for whatever setting we are doing on the left side. Now let's upload a favicon. Favicon is a small image which is visible on the top left of your website name. See here I have WS favicon image. As I am using web server, so you can see on the top side of the left I have WS this favicon image. Now let's upload the favicon for our website. So this will be the favicon I will be using. Now it's not visible on the right side of this preview, but when we will preview up our website finally, this favicon will be visible on the top left of our website. Let's look at this navigation setting. Expand some menus on hover. On click, if you want to have it on click, you can go for click, or you can have it as the default one on hover. I just want to go with the default setting for this navigation. reveal the sub menus block with fed effect, right? Hover move effect for the sub menu item. So let's just stay with the default settings. Now let's save and publish. I will go to this content option later, and obviously we will be setting our footer and widgets little later. And for the advanced option, here is we can give custom CSS. So if you're good in CSS, you can give your own CSS code which will be applied to this website. So let's visit our website now. See, this is the favicon image which we have uploaded, and this is the logo, right? And these are the social icons, and this is the tagline. This is what we have done so far. Now let's add a menu here on the top. So to add a menu, we can directly click on this add a menu, or I can click on this website name and click on here menu, or rather I can go to dashboard, and inside appearance I can go to menus. So I'm going on menus. Now here I have to give the name of menu. Let me make it very simple, menu. This is the sample page which comes along with the WordPress website. So I'll just remove it. We will be creating other pages, then we will be adding it to our menu. Let's just have home, and this is the custom URL for home page. Let's just hit create menu. Now the next thing I would like you to do is go to manage location, and in the main menu, see your theme supports one menu. Select which menu you would like to use. So let's select this menu, the name of menu which we have given. Now let's hit save changes. Now let's visit our site. See, now we have a home as our first menu item. We will be adding up rest of the menu items later when we will create those pages. Now let's take care of changing the sliders on the home page. So let us go to our dashboard. Now inside media, let's add new images for the slider. In the media, we have collection of all the images we will be uploading. See, this is the favicon image and this is the logo. Now let's add the image we want to use for our sliders. So I will click on add new, select the file I want to upload. These are the images I want to use. Now let's click on this image and let's edit this image. Now the title I want to have is restaurant. You may or you may not give the title for the image, the caption, but the very important thing you must give is alt text, as it is very important for search engine optimization also. If somehow your image is not visible, so the alt text will be appeared. So alt text I will be giving restaurant. You can go for the description, but I will click here on edit more details. When I will click on edit more details, here I will be having more options related to slider. Yes, I want to add this image to slider, so let me have it yes. Now I have further more option highlighted. Now the title text 80 character maximum length. So you can give title for your slider. So the title I'll be giving is, I will be welcome, we serve you best. Now you can change the color of text on the title. Say if your image is too dark or light or it's not suitable, so you can here go and select the color. but I would like to stay with the default one, which is the white one. Now you can have button on your slider also. So the button text is a T character. Here I am having the button text as view more. Now we can give link to our this button, but I will commit to later when I will create that page. I will be linking up it with the page of gallery. So it's view more gallery. Now let's add a slider, name of slider. So the name of slider I will be giving is main slider. As I will be using various slider for various pages of post. So this slider is gonna be the main slider. So let's give a name main slider and let's click add. See, this is the slide image now and the slide text, button text, and the button link we will be giving it to later when I will create that page. Right. Now let's add one more image to this slider. To add the one more image to this slider, let's go to again add new. We are inside the media tab, so let's directly click on add new and upload another file. The another file I want to upload is this. Straight away I'm editing this image. So the caption restaurant. Let's alt text be the same. Slider option yes. Let me paste up the title for this slider and the description. Color I want it to be white and the button text view more. Now as we have already given this slider a name, so just we have an option now select the slider. Let's select it main slider. See, now we have two images in the main slider. Right. Now we will come back for this link for this button little later. Now let's update this and let's visit our website. Still we see no slider. For that slider, we again have to go and customize our website. Here I am hovering on the website name and click on customize. Now on the content home post, this is the front page setting. Here is select front page slider in this setting. I will tell you the more options in this content little later. Just first let's have a look here on the slider option. Select front page slider. So it's a demo slider still there. So let's select our slider now, main slider. See, the moment we have selected main slider, we have main slider here on our website. And you can do further more settings here, delay between each slides. So this is 5000 milliseconds. So 1000 ms is equal to 1 second. You can slow it down or you can make it fast, right? Let's test this 3000 ms and this is the slider's height in pixels 500. If I will make it 400, so it will reduce the height of slider, but I would like to stay with the default 500, right? Apply this height to all the sliders. Various other settings are also there. We have to add featured post pages option, everything. But let's just save and publish and let's view our website for now. What we have done so far. this is our website looks like with the slider. This is the description, title, everything, and a button with text view more, but without any link for now. When I hover on this slider, it stops. Then I can access the arrow keys. When I move my cursor from the slider, it starts again. Now let's take care of adding the featured pages and this. To add the featured pages, obviously we need to create the pages first. So let's create our pages. We will be creating 3 pages first for this featured area, right, on the home page. So let's go to dashboard, or either I can click on new and add page directly, or I can go to my dashboard and here is option pages, add new. So very quickly I will be creating 3 pages first. The first page, featured page I want to have is couple restaurant. Now for the text, I'll be using some dummy text. Let me copy and paste up something. Right. Now we can add slider to this post or page also, but we will come to the slider settings little later. First I want to set up it for the home page. So we have our dummy text, and I also want to add an image to this page. So let me click on add media. Let's upload the file. The file I'll be uploading is, okay, so this will be the image I'll be uploading on this page. Let me change the title. If you are happy with your title, you are ready to go, but I would like to change my title. Alt text. Let me have the alt text be same. You can go for this further settings, more caption, description, but I'm not doing anything right now with that. Alignment, I want to have it left alignment. I don't want to have any link for this image. Size, okay, I'm happy with the size 300 into 223. You can choose the different sizes if you want. Let's insert into page. Now here on the right side you have an option set featured image. Here we will set the image we want to have it on the home page on that featured area. So let's click here and let's upload the file. So this will be the featured image. Just I'm changing up the title and let me have the alt text too, and let's click on set featured image. So this is the featured image is displayed here. Page attributes, template, I'm just with the default settings, and I can change the layout for this website. I want it to be full width layout. You can have right sidebar, two sidebar, left sidebar. We will have in 1 or 2 pages this right sidebar, but for this page I want to have a full width layout. Let's hit publish. Now instead of preview, because of the lack of time, directly I'm creating 3 pages for the featured area. The first page we have created is couple restaurant. Directly I am adding add new, and The second page I want to have is family restaurant. Now again I want to go with some dummy text. Let's add image also for this page. Let me select the file. So this will be the image I will be using. Family dined. I have changed the title and let's have all text as same to alignment left. I don't want to link it with any bigger image or any URL page. So I am happy with the size. Let's insert into page. Now in the featured image, let's set the featured image. Let's upload the file and this will be the featured image. Right. Let me copy and paste it for the alt text too. I'm leaving up this caption and description. Let's set the featured image. We will come for the slider option little later, as I want to create the different slider for this page. So I will come little later. I don't want to use main slider which we have created. So let's hit publish. Now straight away I am creating the third page. Then we will go for the preview. The third page I want to have is beach view. Restaurant. Right. The text. Let's have my dummy text and yeah, let me add my media image. So this will be the image on my page. Let me give title and alt text. I'm leaving this caption and description. Alignment I want it left. I don't want to link it to any file. Insert into page. Now let's click on featured image. The featured image, let me upload the file. I am using the same featured image but with different dimensions. The dimension for the featured image I am using is 250 by 250. For all of the featured image I have used this 250 by 250. And on the page it's totally your choice how you want your dimensions of image. Let's set featured image. Now let's hit publish. And yeah, default layout I would like to have it full width. Let's hit update. Now let's visit our website. We can see no featured pages appearing here because still we have to do little more setting. So again we will go to customize, hovering on my name, website name, then click on customize, then content, home, post. In the pages and post layout, we have already done this. So on the front page, these are the featured pages option. Obviously we want to make it enable. If you don't want the featured pages, you can disable them. This is the button text, read more. If you want to change this text, you can. Home featured, page 1, page 2, page 3. So let's select the page first. The first page I want to have is couple restaurant. For the second featured page, let's have it family restaurant. And for the third featured page, let's have it beach view restaurant. Now we can have text along with these images. For the first image, I want to have text time and date with couple. For the third, dine and enjoy beach view. Right. Now let's hit save and publish. Now let's visit our site. Okay, so now we have our featured pages and featured image here. This is some text which we have given and all of the three images. When I hover, they get larger in size. And when I will click on read more, they will go to the actual pages. This is the couple restaurant page, and when I click on family restaurant, it is family restaurant page is open. I have to change the layout for this. I will prefer to have it full width layout right now. It is a default layout. Now for the third, this is our third page. Now let's go to dashboard and let me go to media, as I want to make certain changes in my main slide. So these are the images in main slide. See, when I click it, I can click on edit more details and change the things I want to change. The thing I want to change is I want to remove description from here. Let me hit update. And for the second image too, I want to edit more details. The title text I want to have is welcome, we serve you best, and for the description I would like to have is enjoy with your family, friends or couple. Let me hit update and let's visit site. Okay, now I'm happy with my main slide. So we are done with the slide, we are done with the featured pages. Now it comes how we can add post to our website. You can see here is a default post, hello world. Now I will show you how you can add more posts to your web page, and later on I will also show you how you can make it a static web page rather than having this post on the front page. So to add the new post, let's go to our dashboard, or I can go to new and click on post. Else I will go to dashboard, post, add new. I will be using completely dummy text again. So the title for the post and some content. Now we can add again a different slider to this post or page. Right now I'm skipping this. I will show you how you can add different slider on this post letter if you want. The very same way we will add to our pages also. The three featured pages we have created and the more pages we will be creating. Now the default layout I want to have is full width layout. And yeah, let's set the featured image too with this post. Let's select the file. Let's have the alt text and let's set the featured image. I'm not going for description or title. Let's hit publish here. Let's have our new post, add new. The second post, let me give title and let's have our dummy text. You can give this category also to this post. See, you can add new category. You can make it restaurant. You can also give text for your post. Couple. If you are giving more than one tag, you have to separate it with the comma. Family. So this is how you can do various things. Let's click add. So this two tags has been created, and now let's click on set featured image. Let's upload the file. Okay. Let me have the alt text and let's set featured image. Now let's hit publish and let's create the third and the last post. You can create as many as posts, but just for the demo I will be creating 3 posts. Add new. Copy, paste some dummy content, and I'm leaving this category and tags for now, but you can go for it. Let's add featured image, stateway. Now let's hit publish. Now let's view our website. Now when I scroll down, I have all the various posts and this featured images too with our post. See, it's look very beautiful now. Now you can see the default post. This is hello world, which comes along with the website. Let's just remove this post. To remove this post, we will click on this website name and on the dashboard. Here when I will click on post or all post, I can view all the posts which we have created, right? And the detail about this post. Simply I will click on this hello world and trash it. If you want, you can click on quick edit and see various settings. You can see whether it's allow comments is checked or not. As it's a post, you may want people to comment on your post. Simply the second post is there, so allow comments is checked and so on. So let's hit update. Now let's visit our site. First, see that default post welcome has been removed. Now let me log out as admin and show you the actual preview. Here you can see edit buttons. When I will log out, this edit button will no more appear. If you want to edit your slider directly, you can click here and edit this featured image, featured pages directly. You can click and edit them. This is how. And after this post also, when I will log out, you will have a comment box, so the user can send the comment. So let me log out and back to ritusachdev.com. See, we do not have edit buttons no more. This is the actual site looks like to our visitors. Now if anybody will click on this post, they will be able to now read the complete post and can leave their comment. So this is how user will see the things. Right, this is a full width layout. I forgot to make this page as a full width layout. When I will log in, I will edit it. It's your preference how you make these pages. But for all of the 3 pages, I would like to make the full width pages. So again, let's sign in and now add more pages to our web page. wp-admin. Okay, now I have logged in again in my website. Let's click on edit the post. This is default layout, left sidebar. Let's make it full width layout. Update. Let's do it for this another 2. Update. Now let's visit our website. Now when I will click on this post, I have full width layout. This is the comment box. Right now I am logged in as admin. Now before adding up the menus, I would like to add the slider to this post pages. See, here we have no slider on these pages. To have the slider, let's hit edit. And you see when I will scroll down here, I have option add a slider to this post or page. Now we will select the slider. I want to stay with the main slider. I'm not going to create another slider for this post, but I will show you how we can create various slider for other pages. The same way you can create for the post too. Delay between each slides, I want to have it 3000 ms, and yeah, these are the 2 images in the main slider. Just we have to click update. Now let's view our post. See, now in the post also we have our slider. Let's go to home page and edit the second post too and add slider. Select the slider, main sliders. I want to speed down 3000 ms. Update. Let's view our second post also. And here we have slider now. Let's go to home and do it for the third post too. Yes. This is main slider we have selected now. Update. Let's visit our site now. On each and every post I have sliders. Let's add more pages to our menu items. Let's click on new page, or I can go to dashboard, create the page, add new. About us. Let's have our dummy content. Let's add the media image. Let's upload the file. Restaurant building will be the media file. Let's give the alt text, and I want to align left. I don't want to link it, and medium size is okay. Let's insert into page. Now when we will scroll down, we will have a further settings for this slider. Yes, we want to add a slider to this post or page. The slider I want is main slider, and the speed, and make it 3000 ms instead of 5000. Set the slider layout in full width, yes. And one more thing I would like to do is layout option for this page is I want to make it full width layout. Or let's have a right sidebar also. I will have right sidebar on this page for my About Us page. Now let's hit publish. Let's view our About Us page. So this is our About Us page. You can see we have various items on the right sidebar, as we have right sidebar on this About Us page, and still we don't have this About Us page on the menu items, as manually we have to go and add it to our menu. First, let's concentrate on cleaning this right sidebar. So let us go to widgets. Again, I can hover it to website name and go to widgets, or else I can go to dashboard, then appearance, then widgets. Then step by step, let's remove this widgets. Yes, I want to have a search box. And the second thing I want to have on the About Us page is Google Map on the right sidebar. To have the Google Map on the right sidebar, we will go to Google Maps website and embed the map. But before embedding a map, I want to install a plugin which will allow me to edit anything visually. See, if I will have this text here and drag it on my widgets, see, I can't edit it visually. So I have only simply option title and text. I should know the HTML codes here to edit them. So let's remove this text widget and let's go to plugin, add new, simply on plugin and add new. I will search the plugin Black Studio Tiny. So this is the plugin. Let's install it. You can go for the more details if you want. Just I will click on install now. Let's activate this plugin as the plugin has been installed. Right, so again let us go to our widgets, appearance and then widgets. Now as we have installed here, we have option Visual Editor, Black Studio Tiny MC widget. So let's drag it. Now I have all the editings, visual mode and HTML mode, text mode, everything is there. And these are very important for formatting purpose. See, if I have some dummy text, and if I want to make any text bold, or
Let me select it properly. If I want to make any text bold or italic, or when I will click on this toolbar toggle, I have several more options. If I will select it and I can change the text color. So you can do various type of alignments or setting from this visual editor. Align left, align right, align center. Let's just remove it for now, and let's just take care of embedding a Google map. Let me give a title map, and to have the map, let me open the website maps.google.co.in. So the site has been directed to www.google.co.in/maps. Now we will search for the location we want to add for our map. Temporary, I will be adding this location for the map: Hotel President Park, AB Road, right? Just you have to type the address and search. Now when I will click on this button on the bottom, here you can see share or embed map. Here is option share link or embed map. So when I will click on embed map, here is the HTML code. Let's just copy it, and now let's paste the code for this map. So I will go to text mode and let's paste it here. Remember, I am not going to paste in the visual mode. This is the link from some outside source. It's a HTML code, so I will paste it in text. So let's hit save now. Now let's change the dimension for our map. I want to have is 400 by 300. Let's save this map, and let's view our page. To view this page, I will go to pages, and this is the about us page. Let's view it from here. And still we have to add this page to our menu item. See, now I have a Google map here and a search box, and this is the location I have given. You can zoom it, zoom out, right? Or you can directly view on Google Maps. Now, so this is now our right sidebar. We'll look for all of the pages or posts like this, having these two widgets. Now let's go to our menu and add the page about us and several other pages too. Straight away I will hover on my website name and go to menus. The second page is about us page. I want to add to menu, right? And now I also want to create a link, service link and services. I don't want to create services page. I want to create a link actually, and on this link I would like to create sub items which we have created in featured pages, that couple restaurant and family restaurant, beach view restaurant. If you remember, on the home page we have that 3 featured pages. So let's just create a link here. Let's have the text services. Actually, I don't want to have any link when anybody will click on services. So temporary, let me write something. I will remove this URL addresses. Let me click on add to menu. See, now we have services here, and here is the custom, and I will get rid of this link. I don't want to create additional service page. I just want to have like anybody hover on services and have sub menu items. I will show you practically what I mean, but now let's first add sub menu items to this services. To add the items, let me go to pages and beach view, family, couple. Let's add these three featured pages also. Add to menu. Now I want to have this as sub menu items. Let's save our menu. Let's visit our site now. See, this is now home, about us, and this is services. Now when I hover on services, I have separate pages for this beach view restaurant, family restaurant and couple restaurant. If I will create service pages additionally, then again when I will click on services, the blank page for services will be opened up. I really don't want it to have it like that. So that's why in the menus I have created this as a link. Then I have removed this URL address from the link, and then I have created sub item like this. Now as I have told you that we will have different sliders for different pages. So let's have different slider for this all of the three pages. Let's open this page and edit this page directly from here. We have an option edit page. Here's the option add a slider to this post or page. But I want to have a different slider. See, here is the only option main slider which we have created in the beginning. So let's go to media and upload the image for the second slider we are going to create for this page. So let's add new, select file. First I am going to add slider on my couple pages. So slider 1, slider 2 are the images I am going to add. Directly I have added two images. Now one by one I am editing. Let me change the title, couple, and yeah, I want to have all text also. Then edit more details. Then we will add to a slider, right? Again we can have title or description. The title I would like to have is welcome, we serve you best, and description, come, enjoy and date, have fun. Right, the text color I want to have is white. You can have the button if you want. Yes, I would like to have a button. So let me give the button text, view more. I will link up with the gallery page, as we also have to link up that our main slider too with the gallery page. But we have to create that gallery page. So again I will link up in the last. So select the slider. We have to give the name to our slider now. Couple slider. I'm giving it as couple slider so I can remember this. I'm going to add it on the couple restaurant page. So add a slider. Now let's have our second image for this slider. Again go to media and the second image is this. So let me remove this description and let's have couple. Edit more details. Add to a slider, yes. Let's have our description and title. Now button text, view more, we will link it later. Now we have an option couple slider, as we have created this slider. So choose the slider, couple slider. Now you can see we have two images in our slider. The dimension for all the images I am using is 1000 into 400. Let's hit update. Now let's go to our pages, all pages, go to our this couple page, couple restaurant. I will click on edit. Now here we have to add the slider to our poster page. See, first we have to go to the media, upload the image. In the settings we have to select that image for our slider, create that slider. Then we have to go to the page or post we want to have slider, and then in the slider option we have to select yes. Then we have to choose the slider which we have created in our media. Then this is the couple slider I want to have on couple page. You can set the speed if you want, or if you are happy with the default, you are ready to go. Then let's hit update now. Now let's view our page. See, now we have slider on our couple page. Now similarly, let's have slider for family restaurant page also. Let's open this page and click on edit directly. The first thing I want to change is the layout for this page. I want to have full width layout, and yeah, add a slider to this post or page. Again we have to create a slider for this family restaurant page. We don't want to have couple or main slider here. So let's go to media and add few images. To add the images, let's click on add new, select, and these two images I'm gonna have it on my slider. So let me upload them. So the first image is this, and let me give the alt text here, family restaurant. Edit more details simply. Let's click on yes, add to slider, and let's give our title and description. Enjoy, dine with your family, friends, or couple. Or let's have it, enjoy, dine with your family or friends. The button text, view more, we will link up later. And yeah, this time we have to create a slider. We can't go for select slider as we need new slider. So this is family slider. Add a slider. See, in the media now we have created a slider. Let's have our second image also. See, the dimension I am using is 1000 into 400. Let's select our second image. Let's have alt text. Let's edit more details. Straight away I will go to add to slider. Let's have our title text, description text, button text, let's have few more. We will link up later. Now we have to select a slider. To select a slider, we can select now slider as we have already created. It's a family slider. So family slider, add a slider. These two images we have on the family slider. Now let's go to our family page. All pages, go to family restaurant, edit it. Now in the media, we have to select a slider. The slider I want to have is family slider now. Full width, as I have already checked yes. So this is yes. Layout I want to have full width. Page layout also I want to have is no sidebars, full width layout. Let's update this page now and let's visit our site. Now on the services, on the family page also we have our slider. Let's take care of adding the slider on the beach view restaurant. Straight away let's go to dashboard, media, add the images we want to have for our slider. These are the two images. Now let's just edit it very quickly. Let's have the alt text and edit more details. Slider option yes. Let's have our title and let's have our description, button text. Now let's add a slider, beach view. See, this beach view slider has been created. Now let's have other image too. Let's edit more details and straight away yes, I want to have the slider option. Title I want to have is welcome, we serve you best. Okay, let's have our description and the button text, view more. Beach view slider gonna be the slider we are selecting. Right. Let's hit update. Now let's go to our page, this beach view restaurant, and let's edit this page. And the slider I want to have is beach view now. Let's hit update. Let's visit our site now. See, this is the services. This is beach view restaurant. We do have slider on this page now. And this is family restaurant. Separate slider for this family restaurant page and the couple slider for the couple page. And on the home page and about us page we have separate slider, which is the main slider. Now let's add one more page, the gallery page. As on each and every page we have a button view more. We will link up with that page. Let's click on new and click on page. The page we're gonna be creating is gallery. Let's publish this page for now, and let us go to plugin, add new. We're gonna be install responsive lightbox. Let's search the plugin responsive lightbox. Okay, this is the plugin responsive lightbox by Deep Factory. We will be installing this plugin for our gallery page. So let's click on install now. Okay. You can view the more details if you want. Let's activate this plugin as it has been installed successfully. Now again we will go to pages, and as we have created our gallery page, so we will click on edit. Now let's add media. Here we have an option create gallery. So let's create gallery now. Let's upload the files. Let's upload more file. And let's create new gallery now. Now here is the settings. Link to attachment page or media file. This is the columns of the images. I want to display it in 4 columns. This is the gallery we have created. Now you can change the order of the images if you want. Say if you want to have this image on the top, on here, and you can also write the caption for all of these images. Here's the option caption this image, caption this image, so you can caption them if you want, and you can also reposition them. And I don't want to have them in random order. I just want them to be in the position I am mentioning. So let's insert this gallery now. I want to change the layout, default layout. I want to make it full width layout. Again, you can have a slider on this gallery page if you want. Let's have main slider here. Yes, I want to have a full width slider. So now let's hit update and let's view our page now. So this is the slider on our gallery page, and this is the gallery which we have created. See, when I hover on this image, they increase a little bit, and when I will click on this image, it displays in a beautiful light box way. See, you can see the couple 2 on the top is the title. So when you will title your images properly, you will have that display here where you can see the couple 2. As just because of the lack of the time, I didn't bother for it. Now let's close this gallery page. Now let's add this gallery page to our menu. Go to website name, straight away click on menus. Either go to appearance and click on menu. Here is the gallery page. Let's click on add to menu. Here I want to rearrange this sub menu items also. I want to have couple page first, then family page, then beach view restaurant. Let's save this menu. Now let's visit our site. So far so good. Now I will show you how you can add separate blog page for your all of the post. Then I will show you how you can make this website static in the home page. Rather than having this post, we will have a home page directly. So first let's create a blog page, and so let's go to our dashboard, and here on the post you can see, let's create a category. Let's go to categories. Let's create a category name blog. Let's add this category now. So this category has been added. Now let's go to all post. Let's click on edit and apply. Then you can see we have new category. We have created blog. Let's check on it and let's hit update. Now you can see we have a category blog, new category, as all the three posts has been added to blog. So now let's go to our menu, appearance, and go to our menus. You can see here we have an option categories. So let's check on blog and let's add to menu. So here we have blog category now. Now let's save this menu and let's visit our site now. See, now we have a separate blog page. When I click on it, I have a blog page separate for all the posts which we have on the home page. Obviously, we can create new post by adding up the new post, going on dashboard and post, add new. All will be added on the blog page. Now let's create a contact page for our website so that anybody can fill up that contact form and will be sent to our mail. So to create a contact page, let us go to dashboard, add a plugin. I already know the best plugin, Contact Form 7. Simple and easy to use. Let's search this plugin. Let's install this plugin now. Okay. So the plugin has been successfully installed now. Let's activate it. Now you can see here we have an option contact. When I will click on this contact, underneath this option dashboard, I have shortcode. Let's just copy this shortcode. Let's create our new page for the contact page. Give it a title, contact us, right? Now let's paste the shortcode which we have copied. We can also edit this contact page, but let's just have it this for now. Let's hit publish. Let's view this page. See, now we have a contact page. This is the name, email address, subject, all for the user. All the fields are required. User has to fill up this field and this message, and when they will click on send, that will be sent to your inbox. I would like to change the layout again, and again you can add a slider to this page if you want. Let's have main slide. Let's hit update and let's view. See, we have slider now and this is a full width page. Let's add a contact in menu item. So go to our menus and contact us, add to menu. Save menu. Let's visit our site now. Okay, so now we have contact us page in the menu items also. Home, about us, services, gallery, blog page, contact us. The thing left with us on this website is now to change the home page and make it a static web page rather than having this blog post. To make it a static page, let's first create a page which will be our home page. So go to a new page, then give it any name, say welcome. Let's have some dummy text and let's paste it here. Let's insert a media item. So let's insert this image on the page. Alignment left. I don't want to have any link. Size is okay. Let's insert into page. Now the layout I want to have is no sidebar, full width layout. And add a slider to this post or page, yes. The slider is main slider we're gonna have. I want it to be 3000 ms and yes, the slider width should be full. Let's hit publish. Let's visit our site. Still you can't see home page as this welcome page. For that we have to go to dashboard, go to appearance and go to customize, then content, home, post. Inside the front page you will find the option front page displays your latest post. So I want to have a static page. The page I want to display is welcome. Let's save and publish. You can always see the preview also. Let's visit our site. Now when I will scroll down, see my front page is static page having an image as media item. And now the last thing what I want to do is, as I have told you again and again, we will link up this view more button with the gallery page. To link up it with the gallery page, simply we will go to dashboard, inside media. So these are the images for our main slide. We will select this image, edit more details, and yeah, Here on the button text view more, underneath this we have an option choose a linked page or post. So this is the gallery page which we have created now. Let's hit update. Let's also edit this second image. Directly I clicked on edit the slide. Here's the link option, so gallery. Let's hit update. Now let's visit our site. See, now when I will click on this button view more, it will redirect us to the gallery page. Let's click on this second slide also. See, we are now on the gallery page. The same way you can do it for other three sliders also which we have in services page. This couple restaurant. See, nothing happens when I will click on it. But similarly, you can edit this slide also. Go to dashboard, go to media, select the image and edit more details. Gallery page, link to gallery page. Update it. Do it for the second image on this slider. Edit this slide. Update. See, when I will go now on the services page on the couple restaurant, when I will click on view more, the gallery page is open. Similarly, you can do it with all the sliders for this family restaurant and beach view restaurant also. So we have covered all the major options in this theme. Now the last thing I want to do is want to add the footer to our website. This website supports 3 footer. So either we can go to widgets or we can also go to customize. Here you can also see the widget option. So footer area 1, 2, 3. We will be setting up this 3 footers now. And you can see here is also option footer. When you will click here, here is a footer global setting. So display a back to top arrow on scroll. See, when I scroll, I have an option back to top. If you want to hide it, you can simply uncheck it. If you want to display it, you can stay with the default setting and let it be checked. So now just let's go for the widgets and set up the widgets. Instead, I will go to the dashboard and go to widget. Here is footer area 1, 2, 3 widget area. So for the first area, let's have our this visual editor. Let's have our title, home. Just to add more depth to the site, let's have home again in the footer and a very little bit of text. Let's have read more here. Now let's link it up. See, this is the visual editor. This is what the benefit of visual editor. Now simply I can click on this link button and yeah, let's link it with the open link in a new tab or window and let's link it to this welcome page. Let's hit save. Similarly, let's add visual editor to our footer area 2.
Let's have services here. Let's have our dummy text and yeah, read more link. Select the text read more and now let's insert a link. I will link it with the family restaurant page. Let's add the link, open link in a new window or tab. See, now this has been linked up. The color of this read more has been changed. And when you will look in a text mode, see this is the behind the scene coding. Let's save it up. And let's add our third widget now in the footer. So in the third widget, simply I will have a search box and title search this site. Let's save it up. Now let's visit our website. See, now we have a beautiful footer. We can also change the alignment of this text. Home, services, as these are center aligned, but I want to make it left aligned. So again I will go to widgets and let's select the complete text and make it left aligned. Save. Do it for the second too. Save. Let's visit it now. See, now it is left aligned. Now one more thing I would like to tell you is, since I am working offline, you can see the URL address for all of the pages is like page ID 52, page ID 38. When you are working online on the server, you can change this URL address just by going to dashboard. Inside the settings, permalinks, you can change the URL address. This is the default address. You should have custom structure so that it will be easy for SEO to search your website and easy for you to remember also the links for your web pages. See, this will appear like this, slash slash slash. It will be like about dash us. So it will be easy for you to remember your URL address for all of the pages and easy for search engine optimization to search your site. But I will stay with the default as I am working offline also. It will mess up my site completely if I will do it on the local host. And when you will do it, all the URL address for your web page will change completely. So this is done, friends, and if you like this video of mine, do thumbs it up. Do not forget to subscribe me, and if you want to learn these subjects directly